Ever pondered why objects behave the way they do? Why does a book stay put on your desk until you decide to move it? Or why does a rolling ball eventually come to a stop? The answer to all these questions lies in one simple yet profound law of physics, Newton's first law of motion, or as it's more commonly known, the law of inertia. In the 17th century, a brilliant mind named Sir Isaac Newton introduced three fundamental laws of motion that forever changed the way we understand the physical world. Newton's first law, the focus of our discussion, is the cornerstone of these principles. This law states, rather elegantly, that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. In essence, things like to keep on doing what they're already doing. Consider a ball rolling down a hill. According to Newton's first law, the ball would continue rolling indefinitely if not for the forces, like friction and gravity, acting upon it. These forces slow the ball down, eventually bringing it to a stop. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, Newton's first law is more than just a scientific principle. It's a fundamental truth that shapes our everyday lives. Think about it. When you're traveling in a car and the driver suddenly hits the brakes, you lurch forward. That's Newton's first law in action. Your body, in motion with the car, wants to keep moving even when the car stops. Or consider the game of soccer. When a player kicks the ball, it continues to move in the direction of the kick until another force, like another player or the goal net, changes its motion. Newton's first law also explains why it's harder to push a heavy box compared to a lighter one. Objects with greater mass have more inertia, meaning they resist changes in their motion more than objects with less mass. In conclusion, Newton's first law is a fundamental principle that governs the way objects move. It's the reason why things stay put or keep moving until something causes them to do otherwise. This law plays a crucial role in everything from engineering to sports, making our world predictable and understandable. So the next time you see a ball rolling, a bird flying, or even just a book sitting on your desk, remember Newton's first law. It's the invisible hand guiding the motion of everything around us. And with this understanding, you're one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, never stop learning. Until next time, this is wishing you a fascinating journey through the world of physics.